right, how to make brown, or really even just how to use the color wheel. The color wheel is so cool. It tells us so much information, but it's kind of hard to decipher what's what. So what you want to do is first pick. If I want to make brown, what color do I want to make it with? Red, yellow, or blue? Which one? Blue. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you look at this blue thing here, and this little window right here is what's gonna tell you what color that you need to mix blue with to make brown. If you mix blue with yellow orange, you're gonna get this weird dark greenish color. If you mix it with yellow, you'll get this color, which is green. That's it. If you mix yellow green with blue, you get this darker one. And if you mix so on and so forth. So you keep going until you find the color that you want. Oops, yeah, sorry, I was showing it off a little bit here. Until you get the color that you want. Blue, violet, right? This is, purple or violet. This is, look at that, blue and red. Red and orange. And orange, right? So you got to go all the way around until you find the brown that you want. And that's how you use the color wheel. You could also use it with white. What happens when I mix white with yellow orange, or what happens when I mix black. And this will tell you what it should be, okay?